Hi, everybody. This is Mrs. Solis checking in on you guys to see how you're doing. I hope all is well. What I wanted to do today is I wanted to talk a little bit about Freckle, and I wanted to tell you how much I love it as a teacher. And I've heard a lot of things from different parents and different students asking me different things about how to navigate Freckle. So I decided to make this short video to help you guys out. So the first thing that I want you to notice is over here on the left-hand side, I have my avatar. It has my name, my coin balance, and math practice today. This tells me how long I've been practicing. And I'm asking you guys to do 30 minutes every day if possible. So that's going to be able to keep your time. So the next thing that I wanted to show you is right here, the backpack that has my tracker. And if you notice, it says 5. So that means that there's 5 assignments that I have in there. And then the different things that I have is I have 2 things that say math pathway at your level. So we're all working at different levels right now. So the questions that you have are probably not going to be the same as your best friend. They may be, they may not be. So if you notice right here, it says it requires a pretest. Just click on get started, do those 10 questions. So once you're there, it's going to adjust to your level and the questions are just going to flow right into wherever you're at. And then I also assigned 3 other things that say targeted practice. I have one for measurement and data representation, proportionality, and financial literacy. And these are 10 questions. I will be making other videos giving you 1 or 2 examples on how to answer those questions, just in case that you forgot. So then the next thing that I want to go over is down here at the bottom where it has math practice. Say you don't have anything in my tracker. What I want you to do is I want you to click on adaptive math. So adaptive math, say I'm going to go to the first one, proportionality. I click there and I want to show you something that I love about Freckle here. So this button, it reads me the question. Okay, it's going to say represent the data in the table below by creating a graph. Does your graph create a straight line? So I'm like, I don't remember how to do this. So I can click on this video. So normally these videos last about 30 seconds to a minute. So that's a very useful tool here. And say I forgot what the word represent means. So if I hover over it and I click it, it tells me that represent means to show. So if it says it's asking me to create a graph. So if you don't know how to create a graph, Freckle has some tools that are already embedded. So you just click right here on the tools, and if I'm making a graph, I click on the graph, and then I'm going to move my graph over here. So I move my graph, and then I can do the work from here. I can also use my pen, and I can label my x-axis, I can label my y-axis, and I'm sorry that that's horrible, but and I can do some work there. I know it may be easier for people that have an iPad and they're able to write on there. So, or you can always use the paper and pencil. Have a paper, have a pencil, have a calculator with you. And if you want to wrap up your Freckle session with something else, I want you to come over here and I want you to click on math practice again, and I want you to go to fact practice. So if you notice the questions in fact practice, I have 7 plus -9. Okay, I know that that's fairly easy, and that's 2. So then the next one, it's 4 over something is the same thing as 2/3. So I know it's 4 over 6 is the same thing as 2/3. 5 times -4 is -20. This is a fun way and a fast way to wrap up your session. And you can either use it as a warm-up to get you started or as a cool down for you to go ahead and finish up your Freckle session. I'm here to be helping you guys out. If you have any questions, just let me know. Okay, so y'all have a wonderful day, and I will be talking to you soon. Bye.